Hi there, and welcome back to today's Morning Report Charts Appraisals on Monday, the 26th of October, with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tantech Markets. Moving on to sterling dollar now, and for cable, and we've had a couple of sharp downside moves, downside candles in the last few days, which, to be honest, deteriorates the momentum quite some. However, we've had a bit of a near-term bounce today. I think the outlook of this chart now would suggest probably you're more inclined to sell into to this bounce. You've got the momentum indicators which have rolled over. I mean, every time they've rolled over in the past few months, started to form a corrective phase. So I think that is the case. Now, the big test would be 52 figure, that support, that key reaction low of mid-October. That is your key support now, which is support within a rally. So if you lost that, I think you're going to be definitely testing the lows of this band again, which comes in around 51 figure now. Certainly it looks like the momentum isn't positive necessarily near term, although we have had this little rebound. Let me show you on the intraday hourly chart. It would suggest that it's still just fairly sort of corrective within the negative phase. Now, we've had this breakdown from this range, gave us 90 ticks worth of target to the downside, which was around about 53.10 area. Now that has been achieved because the 53 figure was the low that we saw pretty much overnight really today, before a slight little rebound. Now that little rebound is what I think we should now be looking to play, because you've got these momentum indicators which are negative near term. MACD lines just unwinding towards neutral. You've already got the stochastics which are sort of back up towards levels at which the rallies have rolled over. So I think 53.67 is sort of your initial support, sorry, resistance for the for this rally. But obviously the big rally, the big resistance comes in around that 54.15 mark, which was the old support of this sort of range floor became the resistance. So that is your big resistance that we struggle to get through. But I think this this RSI up at towards 60, sort of 50 again, is sort of now you're looking towards the sort of next real level that you'd start to see the selling pressure coming back in, because I think this is still part of this corrective phase, and we could even see, as I said, a move back towards that sort of 52 figure mark that we saw back in mid-October. So selling into rallies, I would play that on sterling. Anyway, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later, I think.